you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I actually want to show you what I purchased from Oceanista's online store. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I actually unboxed Oceanista's seasonal subscription box on my channel, which is my favorite seasonal box, hands down, and I tell you guys that in every single video. Well, they actually have an online shop, and I tell you guys about it, and I show some things in those videos, but I thought it would be really nice for me to give back to the company who sends me all of these products and support their shop and purchase some things myself through their online store. And I wanted to show you guys the things that I purchased and show you some different things that you can find from their shop that I will be showing you on the side. So let's go ahead and dive in. For one, I think it's so cute how it's wrapped, and then I love their colors with the Oceanista tape. Kind of reminds me of like a Tiffany's box. Like, I absolutely love it. And I'm so excited. They had so many different options. It was really hard for me to choose a few. But let's go ahead and dive in and let's see my order. And then when you do order from their shop, you don't have to be an active subscriber. You can just purchase anything, one-time thing, no commitment, that kind of thing. So when you first open it up, that's what it looks like inside. And she did send me a free sticker. I absolutely love this. It was like a mermaid and it says Oceanista. Oh my goodness. I actually purchased these two, one for myself and one for my friend to put on our vehicles. And then I got this one. I'll show you in just a second because I'm teetering the box here. So this is probably going to be my packing slip. And down inside, this is how it's packaged, where there's the sticker wrapped in tissue paper. That's what it looks like down inside. And let me show you these stickers first. So this is the one that was a complimentary sticker that is super, super pretty. And I love the teal. So I might put this one on my car. I'm not quite sure. Now I'm confused. Here's the other one that I did purchase for my car. And again, I got two, one to send to my friend. So then we could have matching car stickers. That would be so cute. But it does have Oceanista on the bottom. And this is their trademark little logo. And it's so, so pretty. I love everything about Oceanista. So let me show you these two. And they sell individual items in general, and some of the items could be from previous boxes. So if you ever saw some items, you're like, oh, I wish I could have that. You can purchase it from their shop. Like this shirt that I'm wearing right now, I got from one of their boxes. And I'm showing you my spoons. So these spoons come with, I got two different coconut bowls. I thought these looked really, really neat. And I thought for cereal, for ice cream, that kind of thing, I bought his and her little coconut bowls. So let me go ahead and show you. This is how it looks when it first comes. And it says coconut bowls and they're all wrapped. And then when you pull it out, oh my gosh, this is literally a coconut shell. That is so cool. You can see like all of the nooks and cranny grains and everything on the outside, and then the inside is completely smooth. That is so neat. Like I said, I thought these would be really cool even for fruit, yogurt, oatmeal, whatever. And then it comes with an actual wooden spoon as well. So it comes in a set, one spoon and one bowl, but I bought two sets. So let me open this one. I'm so excited. I have some nice fresh fruit in the refrigerator right now, and I think I'm gonna get a bowl of it and use it in my new handy dandy coconut bowl. Oh my gosh. So there's a little spot right there to kind of ground it out to make it go flat, but you can see the rind, you can see everything from the coconut. That is so neat. I honestly thought they were just going to resemble a coconut. I didn't think they were really going to be a coconut. That's even cooler. So yep, here's that. And then the spoon. And then there are the two spoons with the paper removed. And that is just so unique. That is just so unique, and that is just so neat. So there's the bowls. And I definitely wanted to purchase things that were from Oceanista in particular, so I can help support the shop and support their brand. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest box. Okay, for one, it's like a bamboo box. Well, it's a tube. It says Oceanista, and then on the top it has Oceanista with the starfish. These are sunglasses, and this is the case that the sunglasses come in. I have never seen a case like this for sunglasses and that much detail, and that's just super cute. I absolutely love that. So you can keep your glasses in here, or you can store this and use this for anything else, whatever you would like. But that is a really neat container that the glasses come in. And they also come in like a dust bag to protect them as well. And then when you open them up, oh my gosh, these are so cute. They are like bamboo. They match the container exactly. They say Oceanista on them. Ooh, let me get these open. They're really nice and light. They're not heavy at all. It says Oceanista right there on the side. And that's what the front of them look like. I just thought these were really cute. I like the little flare that the line goes over the lenses. It just looked like a really neat design. So let's see how they look. Ooh, they're nice and big. I was worried about that because I do have this nice round face of mine. So a lot of glasses tend to look really, really little and odd on me, but I think those actually look pretty good, right? I think they fit really good. And I love the bamboo. I just really love these. These are super, super cute. What do you think? Check, how you doing? How you doing? Those are so neat. I love them. And I love sunglasses. And again, these are super light and airy with these bamboo. Like some even plastic ones, you can feel like just heaviness to it. These are super light and they feel very nice on my face. Like they almost don't even feel like they're there. So that is really neat. And I love this container. I cannot say that enough. I've never seen something so cute before. And yeah, I'm going to store it right in this, and I'm going to stick this down in my car. And these are going to be my new car driving glasses, but that is just the cutest thing. Oh my goodness gracious. I love this container. Okay, so let's keep going because there's a few more items. Okay, so going with trying to support the brand and finding things with their logo on it, I got this bag, and one thing that I do want to say, online, I thought this was going to be smaller, so I'm super impressed by the size. I love the color. That's a no-brainer. It has their logo, Oceanista, Laguna Beach, right there. And this is a really nice, thick bag. This is made very well. Ooh, okay, so when we open it opens up pretty wide. Ooh, alrighty. There's two handles. Let me show you the inside of the bag. It does have one pocket right here, so you can drop some things down in it, and then you can drop everything else down. I like just this little touch, you know, just gives it a little flair. It holds the sides in. If you wanted to remove those so it's completely open, you can. But I love that color, and I just wanted to have a really nice bag to keep in my car, so if I'm toting things back and forth or anything like that, I can bust this out. If we go anywhere, I can throw everything in here. That's just a really nice size, very quality bag, and I love supporting their brand. So that is super cute, and it's my favorite colors, of course. Yay! And I'm so glad that I did choose this, because again, it looked like it was going to be a little bit smaller on the computer. Whenever you buy things online, you never know. So this is a really large size. You can toss a whole lot of stuff in there, carry it to the beach, the lake, your kids' games, wherever you go. If you go to your friends crafting, throw your shit in here and go crafting. Whatever you want to do, this would be a bag to take with you anywhere. And I love that. And it feels so good. I wish you could feel this. Like, this is not a cheap material at all. So there's that. Now I have something down in here. This was a gift. I purchased this for my friend. She's doing her whole, they just bought a house and she's doing her whole bathroom, all mermaid themes. So I had to get this little trinket tray, and it's carrying a martini glass. This is the cutest thing ever. This is available on the shop, and right now it is on sale. So if you like this, go grab it while they have some left. But that is the cutest thing. You can use this for anything. If you want to use it as a trinket dish, to keep jewelry in, to keep loose things in your drawer, to put in your kitchen, to drop stuff in, you can use this for anything, a soap dish, whatever you would like to use it for. But it is intended for a trinket tray. And this is made by Primitives by Kathy, but that is just so cute. I love the mermaid. I love the design. I love that they're holding a martini glass. I might actually have to go and buy another one for myself, because that is just super, super cute. That is just super cute. And I like how deep this is. It's not like the little small, thin ones. You have some deep sides, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. So I really like that. There's one item left in here. And another thing that I absolutely love about Oceanista is when they do their clothing items, they think of even our curvy selves. They even trademarked Curvy Mermaid, and that is like one of their sizes. So they do plus size, they do standard size. So if, you know, whatever size you are, there'll be something for you, I'm sure. These were in the plus size section, and these are this little lounging pants, tie-dye, and they just looked so comfortable and super soft, and ooh, they definitely are. They're definitely really, they're nice and thin material, but they're very, very soft. There's a drawstring in the middle, and yeah, so here is the tie-dye pants. Those are so cute. Ooh, I'm doing laundry right now, so this will go my next load, and I will be rocking these, chilling for the rest of the day. These are super, super comfortable. Put this on my tank top. I'm lounging for the rest of the day. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Woo! Okay, you guys. So again, I just wanted to show you things that I had purchased from their shop, just so you know that you can actually purchase things without going to the subscription, which is my favorite, by the way. So that is everything that I have to show for my order that I had placed from Oceanista's shop. I will link their shop down below, their website, if you would like to check out any of the items that they have to offer or the subscription box. They do have past boxes available as a one-time box on their shop as well. So if you saw past boxes that you really wanted to get, you can check to see if they are still available. Some are sold out, but if they are still available, you can grab it and you don't have to have any type of a commitment or anything like that. So if you want to check out their shop, again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go and check out and see what they have to offer. So that is everything that I have to show for this video. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that I purchased? I am absolutely loving these pants. These are going to be so comfortable. I think I'm gonna have to go and order one of these for myself because this is absolutely adorable, and I like how deep the bowl is. I don't get a lot of them like that. We get a lot in subscription boxes and they're very, very shallow. This is not shallow. These glasses are absolutely stunning. They're super light and comfortable. I really love the design of the glasses and the glass holder. This bag is now my new go-to bag to drop everything in and tote with me wherever I go. And I cannot wait to start getting down on some fruit in just a little bit in my new bowls made from a coconut. Very odd because I don't even like coconut, but I'll eat out of a coconut bowl because it's not going to taste like one. So that is everything that I have to show you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.